Okay, kids, now welcome to our language class. For today, we're going to develop two different activities, and this class will be taken into two different lessons. The first lesson corresponds to the reading, and the second one to the experiment. Okay, so today we are going to read, and the story we are going to read is called Rainbow Fish by Marcus Pfizer. But before reading the story, we are going to think about something that is very important. I don't know, how do you feel when you share your toys? Or how do you feel when sharing things at home with your brother or sister? Sometimes we don't feel so comfortable by sharing our personal items. So, which qualities do you think a good friend has? Do you think that a good friend could be a person who is kind with you, or maybe a person or a friend or a partner that is gentle with you? And see, what do you think about sharing? Do you think that sharing is easy for you? Can you share your personal items, your toys? Can you share your clothes with your brother or sister? Or can you share your bed or something that is not as personal as you think? Maybe can you share your snack with your friends? When your friends doesn't have a snack, can you share, and how do you feel? Is it easy to share or not? Are you happy when you share something with others? How do you feel? Do you feel maybe happy, or maybe do you feel mad? I don't want to share with anybody my things. Well, now let's find out what happened to the rainbow fish. Okay? Can you imagine a rainbow fish? Can you think about a rainbow fish? Have you ever seen one? If you have, please let me know. What are we going to do now? We're going to listen to the story. Okay? Very good. Now that you have listened to the story, and after reading the story, why do you think sharing made the fish so happy? Huh? Okay, now, what are we going to do? Excellent job, children. You are working so hard, and I am so happy today. Listen, now we are going to have the second part of the class, that is preparing for our experiment time. What do we need for the experiment? For the experiment, we need some ingredients. So, for example, chocolate molds, ice tray, vinegar. We need natural food coloring and food coloring. Okay? If you don't have food coloring at home, don't worry. It doesn't matter. We can do it. And you know how? I'm going to show you how to prepare natural food coloring. Because we can use paprika, we can use turmeric, or we can use many things that we have at home. So don't worry, don't hesitate, don't be worried about how to make natural food coloring now in my home, because I don't have. No, don't worry, people. I know that you are very creative, and you are going to see the next video. Okay, and be ready, because in the next class we are going to continue with our experiment. Okay, invite your parents, because it would be a wonderful class. Love you. Kisses, babies. Bye.